this? Well, like anything, we want to automate and grow, and Valet is our AI Copilot. So all those things that I showed you manually how to do, find data, write sequences, set up email or LinkedIn campaigns, Valet has a pretty good understanding how to do those things. So what I'm going to actually tell it to do is I'm going to pick this preset of create a 3-step email campaign targeting companies. What it's going to do is it's going to say, hey, well, what type of companies? And I'm just going to say, look, I want software industry located in the United States with title CTO, Chief Technology Officer. So I already have my integration done to Opps Plus. And now I'm going to tell it, find me some data and create me a campaign. So it says, hey, I found 21,000 people that match your result. How many do you want? Well, I'm going to redeem 13 to get started. And it's going to say, what do you want to call this? I'm going to call this CTO USA. It says I can create a new sequence. So what it's done is it's created a campaign. It's actually moved the 13 records that I've acquired into my Opps Plus account. And then it says, hey, do you want to add some copy? Now, I've already created this email sequence. I just want to reuse it. You can go through and say type new and go through all the steps that you would do, but I've already kind of done that. So in this case, I'm just going to say, no, I want campaign ID 123 or sequence ID 123. And then you'll see when I go back over here, here's my campaign. It's imported and verified my data, and then it's put my copy in. And it's really up to me just to pick the sending domains and launch the campaign.